Hello, good morning. My name is Julie. I am a hairdresser. I really like my bra strap showing here today. Oh well. Anyways, I'm gonna do a Mohawk type of style today. A beautiful lady asked me to do this, so here we go. This is going to be, I've seen this style done a lot, like on Instagram. I don't know about YouTube, but I have seen it a lot on Instagram, but it's done kind of fast. I'm going to try to do it so you guys can follow along, and I hope it turns out pretty for you. You do need fairly long hair, but not really long. It doesn't need to be as long as mine. I mean, probably at least, you know, maybe a little bit past your shoulder or around this area. And okay, so comb out your hair, get it tangled free, and then just kind of part it. So my Mohawk will be this part of the hair, and then this part's gonna be braided. So I'm just gonna go ahead and vision this top not being braided. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this hair. I hope that's making sense. Just kind of watch what I'm doing. Taking this hair, and I am referring to my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna isolate this hair away so I don't pick it up. Okay, and now this hair, I'm gonna go behind my ears and just do like a slice behind my ears and go up. So I'm making a parting kind of like this. Okay, and then isolate this hair also so you don't grab it. Just move it out of the way. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start doing a Dutch braid. So just grab some hair. I'm gonna look in my mirror so I can see better and just start braiding as a Dutch braid. A Dutch braid is basically like a French braid, except for you're taking the hair under instead of over. Okay. And what a Dutch braid kind of makes the braid stick out. So you have not smooth. The inside of the braid sticks out. Grabbing from both sides, taking it from the center and under. So how are you guys all doing today? What's new? What do you got going for your Wednesday? Today I am just gonna probably be working on my little dolls that I make. I just recently did a Popeye the Sailor Man with olive oil, so I'm going to try to get that up on my site today. I'll put down below, if you're interested in looking at the dolls, I'll put it down below to go along with this video. They're cute, they're fun little characters, they're posable, and I love doing them. So anyways, just keep your braid going until you're out of your hair. Keep it kind of tight at the bottom. And this is kind of a tight, you want to keep your fingers closed so you can get it tight. And just braid it all the way down. I'm glad that things here in California are starting to open up. We are now, you know, able to go into restaurants, you're able to go to movie theaters. So that's pretty exciting, I think, because we have been so able to do hardly anything this whole last year, 2020. So I'm glad that, you know, things are looking up. My husband actually just got his COVID shot yesterday and his arm is sore, but other than that, he's fine. Both my kids have had both their COVID shots. I have not had mine because I actually got COVID and I have the antibodies, so I have a little bit more time to wait to get that shot. And I've been back and forth about it. How are you guys feeling about getting the vaccine? Are you feeling good about it? Thumbs up? Are you unsure yourselves? So anyways, I did this braid just nice and back behind the ear, and now I'm gonna do the same on this side. So again, I'm gonna look for my part here, like I'm just doing like a rectangle, like, you know, going back. So this is gonna be where my braid is gonna be. So I'm gonna take this hair again. I'm gonna move it away and put it, just get your clip. Have your stuff ready for you, it's easier. And then again, I'm gonna take behind my ear and just go up and carve out this hair, okay? And then I'm gonna take all the rest of the hair so I don't accidentally grab it when I'm braiding and just put it in a little scrunchie just to keep it away. Okay, this is up. Keep your if you keep your sections neat, it's way easier than trying to, you know, it's hard if this is just down, because I might want to grab this hair into this and then it won't be a neat sectioning. Okay, and then again, we're just going to do the exact same thing as we did on the other side. We're just going to grab our hair and go ahead and do your Dutch braid. If anybody doesn't know how to do Dutch braids, I mean, there's so many on YouTube directions, but I have a mannequin head and I could actually set up a video to do it very slowly. If it's something that you desire or something that you need, let me know. And I'm happy to show you how to do a Dutch braid in slow, go slow, and with my mannequin head. It's hard to do it on myself to show you, to get close enough. But anyways, just keep grabbing your hair and go ahead and do your exact same thing as you did on the other side. And keep it as close as you can to your scalp, so it's nice and neat and tight. It's a preference. If you want to leave some little tiny tendrils out, you can. I'm going for a Mohawk look, so I'm not really going to do that. I'm just going to keep it tight. Okay. My last little piece, I'm going to grab, and then just again, we're just going to braid it all the way down. In fact, this could even been a little bit neater, but it's fine. If you guys have watched other videos, I'm not a big perfectionist. I feel like hair should have some movement and some freedom, and I like it like that. So, but if you are, you can really take your time, and also I'm trying not, so this won't be so terribly long. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just keep braiding till I run out of hair. All the way down. So I'm curious, like, are you guys able to learn from these videos, or are they hard to follow? Please let me know in the comments. I do read my comments. I'm probably every like third day I go to my channel and just see if anybody's commented, or if other people had advice, or if you want to see something, you know, and if I can do it, I will. I mean, I can't do everything, because, you know, we all have our pros and cons things that we're good at. Okay, so now we have both of these sides braided. We'll go ahead and let this down. All right. So now what I do is I take both of these braids and I connect them in the back, and I'm just going to put a rubber band around them. So take them both, grab them, and rubber band them. Okay, just to secure it in the back, to keep it tight. Okay, and then I just tighten it up. All right, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your comb, and I'm gonna do a little bit of teasing in my bang area for a little bit of height. Okay, just kind of tease it up a bit so you have some height. And then do another one. And I do this just maybe like 3 sections. Add this hair into it so they kind of blend together. I actually bought this comb. It's a teasing comb. I think I got it at Sally's Beauty Supply, or wherever you have whatever your beauty supply is. So you kind of want some height with the Mohawk look. So kind of just play with it, get a little height. Hold on, so I get hairspray. Get a little hairspray to underneath, just to give it a little lift, a little bit up here. Okay, all right. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take these little clips like these. They have little hooks on them. I'm not sure what these are called. I actually got these at my beauty supply place, but you're gonna go ahead and hook it into your hair and bring it over. Just hook them in. I kind of stretch it, but don't make it so tight that it's going to give you a headache, and just put them in. And the hooks help keep them in place. And then I'm just going to adjust it, kind of push it out. Okay? So look, you just have it across. And it's not really hooked into the braid. It's just hooked into my hair. If you put it in the braid, to me, it's a little too tight and it gives me a headache. So you know what? We don't want hairstyles to give us a headache. We just want to look cute. And so just sort of stretch it and hook them in. Okay, we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to take both the hooks on both ends. I just sort of stretch it, go a little further down, and hook it in so it stays in place. All right, and then just sort of poof this up. So like that. Okay, and again, you take it. I'm probably going, I would say, about 2.5 to 3 inches in between each section. All right, so I'm going to take it again, and I did have some texture in my hair. I actually had curled it yesterday, so my hair is not stick straight, which I think makes it look prettier. If you can even do the braids first and then curl it all over and then do this. But I already had some curl in mine, so I'm okay. But if you don't, you can put some curl in your hair. Okay, so I'm feeling for the little band, and then I'm going to go down a bit, just down. Again, hook it. Now this time I'm actually hooking into the braids because my hair is more narrow here. And then I'm going to push it up. Just kind of with my hands, put a little hairspray. I don't use a lot of hairspray. Enough just so I can get that little poof. Okay, and then I'm going to go down again with it. About 3 inches. This is probably going to be my last one. Yeah, it's definitely going to be my last one. And grab it. Try to get the hook on both sides. For some reason, this one is weird. Maybe my hook is defected. Because look it. I think looks okay. Well, do your best. Just twist it or whatever. And bring it down. Hook it in. Hook it in. And again, I'm going to pull it out. When I say pulling it out, I'm just kind of making a bump in between these hooks. And then so this is my version of a Mohawk down hairstyle, a little hairspray. Again, this actually could be a little bit tighter. I can tell it's a little loose. And I think it's the hook. I think I need to buy a new hook. This hook is not the best. And if that's the case, if you guys, by the way, if you don't have any hooks, you can do your own. So you can take little rubber bands like this. This I'm going to teach you early, and then put them between your pointer finger and your thumb. Pointer finger. Oops, I lost that one. Okay, let's try this again. Put it between your pointer finger and your thumb like this. And all you're going to do is grab. So watch. I'm grabbing. And I'm grabbing from I want you to see this. It's hard to show it on screen. And I'm going to literally pull I have the top. My pointer finger has the top. And I'm just going to, and this pointer finger has this one. And we're going to go, and it makes this little knot. So, and then you can just take your bobby pins, put one on each side, this side, and then this side. And then you can make your own little stretchy thing with a bobby pin and go right over it. And just same idea, just stick the bobby pin in. If you don't have those little clips, that actually works. I hope you could see what I was doing. It's kind of hard to show on the camera. Again, just kind of fluff with it. Let me look in the mirror, see how it looks. Okay, so I'll just kind of puff this out a little bit more, and even a little bit more. And you can actually bring the little braids forward if you wanted. So you have these little braids showing. If you want to have that showing, coming down. Let's see how this looks again. And I'm just gonna really kind of mess this one up a little bit better. And here's a little profile look of it. Okay. You could make this, maybe I did a little bit, make them a little closer together if you wanted also. I didn't have that many, but you can see how it has that full look and then close look here. Anyways, that is my version of a Mohawk, half up, half down kind of look. It's a fun style. It's comfortable. I could easily wear this all day. And even this is not even bad for work because most of my hair is pulled back. So I could even wear this at work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love making them. It means a lot to me that you're watching them. I'm humbled, and I think you're beautiful people, and I like to spread good energy, and I really hope you guys have a fantastic day. Enjoy your Wednesday. Get out there, do something fun, do something that sparks joy, and have a super fun day. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye. I'll see you next time.